Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a product advertising poster on EPIK Photo Editor. So here, what you guys need to do first is get your product photo ready. In this case, I'm using this photo, and then you can just go to Tools and then choose Crop. Choose cut shapes and then choose on outline, and here you can just brush the product, and then after that click on a check icon. Okay, so now the product will be automatically cropped like this, and then you can just choose the background. In this case, I'm using this background. And next, adjust the ratio. I'm going to use let's say I want to post it to my Instagram story, my business in Instagram story. So here, and next I'm going to click on the product, and then I'm going to adjust the size like this, and then I'm going to make it click on the image. Click on tools. Okay, so I'm going to click on the image and then click on duplicate. I'm going to go like this, and I'm going to put this ones behind the big one. Okay, so it'll go like this, and then next you can adjust the position of the product into your liking, so that's up to you. And then I'm going to add stickers to make it more interesting. Okay, I'm going to add stickers, so you can just choose any stickers that you want. Oops. Okay, I'm going to just use this one. Let's see how it looks like. What is it? Okay, so this one right here, I'm going to put it in here, and then I'm going to click on text and enter the promo message to get more attention of your audience or buyer. Buy one. Okay, I'm going to change the font color. I'm going to use this colors right here. Okay, so I'm going to go with like this, and then I'm going to add another text. And choose another font. Okay, I'm going to go like this, and then you can also add your own logo in here. You can add photos, and then you can choose your logo and add it in here. I'm going to add another stickers, for example. Okay, so I've already added some stickers, and this is the final result. So you can add stickers, and if you don't find the stickers that you want, you can go to shop, and here you can use another stickers for free based on the category. Okay guys, so that's all from me. That is how you can create a product advertising poster on EPIK. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to click on like and leave a comment. Bye.